Hi everyone, this video is about online earning, um, and this is basically about you guys will get paid for your doing survey, and you will be paid in American dollars. So this is actually not enough, that much amount, but still, if you don't have any work, so you guys can do this. So I'll just show you that to my account, because in the last 1 month I have spent on it, but I'm not doing it on a regular basis. If you don't have any other work and you can spend much time on it, I think you can do maybe about $100 or $150 American dollars, actually, not Australian dollars. So you can show you my points, like how many points I have done. So okay, so how you get paid for this? Like, if when you will spend when you will um, have $10 in your account, then you can redeem the price. It's you can do by PayPal. You can cash out through PayPal. So you can see this is the option here, because I don't have that much point, but 1,000 points. So it's 1 point means 1 cent. So when I will have 1,000 points, then I can do that. So but you can see if I go to history, I got 4,235. So it's mean like $40, $42.35. But I have taken already from my account. So um and yeah, so what's the rules for this? If you are doing this, I'll show you like how it. If you go to surveys, if you go to surveys here, yeah, as you can see, right now I have a survey, so it's been like 15 minutes. It will take 15 minutes just for 50 cents. So 50 points means 50 cents. When you are doing this on a regular basis, you will complete this 15 minutes about 7 to 8 minutes or 9 minutes. That much time it will take to complete this if you're doing a regular basis. Because then you know what kind of questions will come in the next few options, and also uh, maybe you have like 235 points for few surveys, so which is maximum I have seen sometimes 300 points. So yes, that's very easy, but I reckon if you're really keen to earn some extra money, uh, then definitely you should do this. And the trick of all this is, you should, when you are creating your account here, I can show you here on my side. So basically, when you're creating your account, when you create your account in the starting, they will ask you some questions about yourself. So be truthful that time, be honest that time, because if you will put wrong information in it, then maybe, because they will check your honesty on regular basis, and they will ask you same questions again and again. And if you will change the questions on regular basis, so maybe they will not give you that service. So yeah, so this is all for today, and I will show you in the next video the another online websites for online learning. Thank you.